Hello everyone, my name is Varun. Welcome to our YouTube channel Study Table. In this video, we will install Java on Debian server. Following the same steps, you can install Java on Ubuntu as well. In this video, we will only install on Debian. Let's start this video. First of all, following topics will be covered in this video. We will install OpenJDK. After that, we will install Oracle Java. Then we will remove OpenJDK and we will configure the Oracle Java and the Java environment variable. I have logged into Debian machine. This is Debian 12 operating system. First of all, we will check whether Java is installed or not on this machine. We will check Java version here. So Java command not found, so it means Java is not installed. After that, we will update the apt index. With sudo access, we will execute all these commands. Sudo apt update. So once the index updated, we will then execute apt install command. Sudo apt install and default jdk. So here you can see all the packages and dependent packages are there. So we will just press yes and enter it. It's currently installed the latest OpenJDK version available with Debian packages. It will not take much time. Getting close. %96 completed. Now it's completed. Okay. So let's check first of all the Java version. Let's execute first the clear command. Now check the Java version. Okay, you can see the Java version is OpenJDK version 17. This is the latest version available with as a Debian package. Let's check the installed Java directories by which Java command. So here is which Java. So this is our first directory. We can use here screen command. This is a command line utility to open a multiple windows in a one session so that we can check each and every directory. If you want to know more about this screen command line utility, you can check our videos and description. In the description you can find the link as well, so check it out. Let's see screen. So our first window open, so we will just press enter. So this is our first window of the screen. So here we will see cd user bin. Check the Java files. So these are Java soft links. So let's move to another directory. I will open another window via Control A C cd etc alternative. Use tab command to complete the directory names. So it's better to use tab every time. It is alternate. So you can see other soft links directing to JVM location. Let's move to JVM location. I am opening another window. These are our Java directories. Okay. So now it's time to install the Oracle JDK. Let's move to another step. I'm just getting out from the screen session by a control AD. Screen detached now. To install Oracle Java, first we will go to Oracle page to check the available versions and then download that version. So this is the Oracle page and now we will click on download Java. These are the available JDK version. Firstly we will click on Linux tab and then we will check the file with the extension deb. So here it is. We will copy this link to download it on our Debian machine. To download the package from Oracle repository, we will use wget command, and this is the link we have copied from Oracle site. So just press enter. Now package downloaded in our home directory. Let's check it. Next command we will use, it's a dpkg. This command is used to manage Debian packages. So let's install Oracle Java with sudo access. Sudo dpkg -i and then package name. So now it's installed package. This package is installed now. So let's check it out. Firstly, the Java version. Yeah, Java version is now 23G Java version. Now question arises, what happened with our previously installed OpenJDK version? So OpenJDK is still here. We can switch between these two versions anytime with this command. So this is update alternatives, and when we press enter, so you can see here our two versions are here. One is the selected mode, another ones are the options 1 and 2. We can choose any one. One is for OpenJDK and second is for JDK 23, which is already selected. So let's move to 1 and now check again the Java version. So here again we have now previously switched to our previous version. This is OpenJDK. We can also check it out the directories, the Java directories. What happened with these Java directories? You can see previously when we installed only OpenJDK, then here we can see only OpenJDK directory. Now again let's check it out. So here you can see JDK23 directory is also there, but currently the soft links is linked to only the old version because it's we have selected this one. Our next step is to remove our old version OpenJDK. So we can do this via purge command, apt purge command. Just press enter. It's asking for yes or no. So these are the list of the packages and the dependency packages. Just press yes. So our version OpenJDK is gone now. There is one other command we should also use. This is the auto remove. This is auto remove command is used to delete or remove all the dependent packages which is not linked to any other main package. Just clear it first. It's asking for yes or no. Just press it yes. All these are the dependent packages, so and we don't need it. Now OpenJDK completely removed from this machine. Now we can check the configuration of Java. So here you can see uh, both options linked to JDK23. Just press it one. Let's move to the directory status. This is the previous state. Now check the latest state. So here you can see only one directory is here, JDK23. Java 17 is completely removed. OpenJDK completely removed. Now we will check that our Java environment variable set or not. Let's check it out. So it's not set. So let's make some entries in the environment variable list. Let's move to screen again. I have opened another window. Let's open environment file from etc directory. Here we will make some entries. Then we will also update path variable. So we have set java underscore home and path variables. Check it again. you can see there is still not any effect, so we need to load our environment file via source command. Now again checking the same environment variable. Now it's coming. Okay, just type java command. Yeah, here we can see options, so system is recognizing this command java c as well. Yes. Okay, so this way you can see that we can install openjdk and as well as the oracle jdk. We can switch between these to install jdk. We can remove jdk. So if you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and share it more. Thank you very much.